Oxygen sensors are a critically important part of your vehicle. They help reduce emissions to protect our environment and keep your engine running efficiently so you save money on gas. Oxygen sensors are used in vehicles all over the world, and that all started with Bosch. Bosch invented the first automotive oxygen sensor in the late 1960s. Then the EPA's clean air regulations in the 1970s inspired Bosch engineers to refine the technology, until 1976, when Volvo placed their first oxygen sensor in a production vehicle, the Volvo Lambda Sonde. Soon, oxygen sensors became a standard feature on all gasoline and most diesel engines worldwide. Oxygen sensors are essential to monitor and regulate the combustion process, which in turn improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. They do this by maintaining the ideal air-fuel ratio in the engine. When ideal combustion is not maintained, other hazardous chemical compounds can form in large amounts. At the core of a switching-type sensor, a zirconia and yttria-based ceramic element with 2 electrodes generates an electrical signal. With closed-loop control, the sensor communicates with the engine control unit to calibrate the air and fuel concentrations to maintain the ideal or stoichiometric air-fuel ratio. Bosch oxygen sensors are jointly engineered and manufactured in both Germany and the US. In addition to being the originator of this important technology, Bosch is also the market leader and has been the automotive aftermarket leader for over a decade. Bosch has produced over 1 billion oxygen sensors to date. Oxygen sensors from Bosch, for a better today and a brighter tomorrow.